Hey guys, check out this carburetor rebuild kit. It's for the FS66, FS88 string trimmer, and 66 I think. It comes with a fuel line, spark plug, filter, carburetor, everything on it. Gaskets, the grommet, and I think something else it came with. If you're looking for a carburetor rebuild kit, I'm gonna put in the link where you can get it on Amazon, or you can just open your old carburetor and clean it up, and it's gonna work. This one, I think the part number is WT45 carburetor rebuild kit. Not too sure on that. This is a good fuel line. It's very strong. It's not brittle like the clear see-through ones, and good filter also. Spark plug looks like a good one also. So if you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.